Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math problem, which is 9 raised to the power m plus 9 raised to the power m equals 9. So let's start. This 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we are taking 9 raised to the power m as common. So 1 plus 1 equals 90, or 9 raised to the power m times 2 equals 90. Now dividing both sides by 2, we get 9 raised to the power m equals 45. Now we want that this m to here, so that we can equate it to the right side. So we are going to take a log both sides. So log of 9 raised to the power m equals log of 45. Now we have ruled that log of a raised to the power m equals m log a. So using this, it becomes m log 9 equals log 45. Now we want to get rid of this log 9 so that we can directly get the value of m. So dividing both sides by log of 9, this cancel out and we get m equals log of 45 over log of 9. Now m equals 45 can be written as 9 cross 5 over log 9. Now we have another rule that says log of a cross b equals log a plus log b. So using this, we get m equals log of 9 plus log of 5 over log of 9. Now we are going to separate to both numerator. So it becomes m equals log of 9 over log of 9 plus log of 5 over log of 5. So this log 9 over log 9 cancel out. Log of 9. So we get m equals 1 plus log of 5, and log 9 can be written as log of 3 raised to the power 2. Again, using this log of m raised to the power m equals m log a, we get m equals 1 plus log 5 over 2, because our exponent is power 2, log 3. Now this value m equals 1 plus 1 by 2 log 5 over log 3. Now we have a formula that log of a over log of b is equal to log a base b. Denominator become base and numerator become that's 1. So log of a is base b. So this can be written as m equals 1 plus 1 by 2 log. This becomes the value and this becomes the. So log 5 is 3. This is the value of m, and we are going to check this. We got the value of m as 1 plus 1 by 2 log 5 base 3. So let's check. So checking 9 raised to the power m times 1 plus 1 equals 90, or 9 raised to the power m equals 45. Now putting the value of m here, so 9 raised to the power 1 plus 1 by 2 log 5 base 3, and we want to check the question mark, is it equal to 45? Now we have formula that a raised to the power m plus n is equal to a raised to the power m dot a raised to the power m. So we are going to separate this, so it becomes 9 raised to the power a times 9 raised to the power 1 by 2 log 5 base 3, and we are checking whether it is equal to 45 or no. So 9 times 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power 2 with power 1 by 2 log 5 base 3, and we are checking whether it is equal to 45 or not. Now this power will be multiplied as in the rule that a raised to power m over n equals a raised to the power m dot n. So using this, it becomes 9 times 3 raised to the power 2 into 1 by 2 log 5 base 3. So these two cancel out, and on the right hand question 45 with question mark. So 9 into 3 raised to the power log 5 base 3 question mark, whether it is equal to 45. Now this thing, focus on this thing, and it is in the form of a raised to the power log b base 3 base, and we know that this is equals to b. So it will be equal to 5. So 9 times 5 and question mark, that is equal to 45 or no. Now 9 5 is 45, which is equals to right side 45. So LH as left hand side is equal to right hand side. So our solution, or the value of m, which is 1 plus 1 by 2 log 5 base 3, is correct. Hope you got it. And question for today is, if 4x plus 2 is equal to 3, then x is equal to 1. I don't know what the real solution is, but I have given in the form of a video. So hope you will get this correct answer, and also you got this value of m correct. Thanks for watching.